Hey, I'm JJ with the Cablecast team, and I'm here at NAB 2019, and we're showing off a couple of the new features in Cablecast 7. So one of the really cool things that we've been working on is integrating the video server and the bulletin board more tightly, so we get a true channel branded experience and output on the video servers. And part of doing that is actually bringing the CG software into the Cablecast user interface and really tightly coupling those two things. So if you're an existing Cablecast user, you're likely using Carousel as your on-air CG, right? Which is a separate, you still log in through front door, but it's a separate tab, it's kind of a separate user interface. What we've been doing in Cablecast 7 is we've been bringing the carousel bits into Cablecast. We're calling it Cablecast CG, and it is part of the Cablecast user interface. So here, we've logged into Cablecast, and there's a button now on the side that's called Cablecast CG. And when we click that, we are brought into Cablecast CG, which, again, if you're an existing customer, looks very familiar. Just a little bit more gray and green instead of orange and white, right? So here, we've still got the same core concepts as we did in Carousel. We've got zones, we've got bulletins, we've got all that same stuff. So here we'll just click into bulletins, and you'll see, our list of bulletins. Everything is very familiar, but what this allows us to do is really do those channel branding features like we've demonstrated in earlier videos, where we've got the CG content running. We can expand out into a full screen video, and then we can push back into our CG. It makes a really great seamless look. So as we kind of click around, we can click on new bulletin. We'll still use the same template architecture that is really useful in Carousel. We can click and create some content. We can upload content. We can still do all the dynamic stuff, but it's all within the context of the Cablecast interface. Now there are a couple of setup things that are new with Cablecast CG, which we'll get into in a different video, but specifically around which zones do videos squeeze back in. And then we'll show you how you actually schedule content for those squeezebacks using some of the other new features in Cablecast, which are really cool. So there is Cablecast CG.